I just shot this video and therefore I don't really like how the way it came out. So I feel like I didn't spit enough facts, so therefore I'm just gonna say it again pretty much.
Okay, it's late, yeah. Uber to your crib, I cannot wait, yeah.
What is up, you guys? MillionDollarDream back in with yet another $1 million video. Ho ho ho! All right, my door's locked. I don't want my parents coming in, but now I think they got used to the videos now because they know that I've been doing this for a while now. And when I get loud, because you know sometimes I got to get loud and crazy, because I get upset, especially this topic might get me a little upset, and I don't want them to come knocking on the door saying, "Boy, what you doing? You better shut up, I'll smack the mess out of you." You shouldn't have to worry about that, so let's get started with the video. This is my third time recording this video. Why? Because I felt like my energy on the last few times I recorded was just too low, so I gotta pipe it up a little bit. Ooh, my voice cracked. So I gotta pipe it up a little bit so you guys can feel that energy, man. Today is Sunday, we trying to get lit, we trying to get rowdy, we trying to get loud. Today is Sunday, my parents might come in and smack the mess out of me in this room because I am too loud, but I don't care. This is for you guys, this is for the viewers, this is for the subscribers. I love all 95,000 of you, so let's get it cracking. Yeah, so anyways, this is gonna be what the video is about. Personally, I hate going smack at girls. Going smack is another term for like trying to holler, trying to talk to a girl. I personally hate doing it online. Why? Because I feel like girls do whatever they can to try to expose you for trying to get their number. It seems like a popular sport nowadays. It's like, who can I expose the most? What's like the most sassiest way that I can expose a guy and get the most likes and retweets on Twitter? I freaking hate it. Obviously, these females that are doing this crap must not get much attention from guys. And whenever they do get attention from guys, they're just so quick to expose them and try to shit on them for trying. How can you do that? How can you ever expect yourself to find love? You're all over here on Twitter complaining about being single on Valentine's Day, complaining about how all your friends have boyfriends and girlfriends, you're the only single person, complaining about how you think that you're worth this, you're worth that, and you're like a Bentley, but you keep getting Toyota Prius that keep trying to holler at you. No, if you're gonna do crap like that, you're really a Honda Civic, not a Honda Civic, not a Type R. You're a Honda Civic, freaking 4-door from freaking 1998. That's what you are. Because a true Bentley, a true Type R Honda Civic will not do some bogus, worthless crap like that. I think that's whack. I think that's the corniest thing you can do, is try to screenshot an innocent conversation from someone and try to expose them for trying to holler. And when I say innocent, this is what I mean. Guy slides in the DMs. He said, "Oh, hey, how are you? You look beautiful today," right? Boom. Left on red. Guy says again, a week later. Okay, let's give it a week. A week later, okay? He comments back, he messaged her again like, "I saw you yesterday, I saw you today at school. How you been? Blase, blase," right? He says probably like 2 more times that you don't say anything. Obviously, you're trying to ignore him. So if you are trying to ignore him, instead of you screenshotting and trying to expose him to the whole entire world, which I think is worthless and corny and whack, why don't you just tell him, "Yo, I'm not interested in you. Yo, I'm trying to be single. Yo, I appreciate you being nice to me, but I'm trying to be single right now." That would make perfect sense instead of you putting it on blast in front of the whole entire world to try to make fun of him. I see this so many times on Twitter. Not Instagram, not ever, but I see it so many times on Twitter. I think it is so whack. It's like, why would you go out of your way to do some crap like that? Like I said before, obviously you don't get much attention from guys, and it feels like whenever you do, you're just like, "Can I expose him? How can I make him look like he ain't shit?" Like, I'm gonna keep saying it, I think that's the wackest thing ever. A lot of you guys probably watch this right now like, "Hey, this probably just happened to him." No, it doesn't happen to me. It never really did, because I never went out of my way to talk to a girl like that on the internet. The only time I did was probably like 2 times. It was like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Nah, but it was really like that many years ago. That's like the last time I did it. I'm about to be 20 years old, so last time I DM'd some girl on Facebook was probably when I was around like 13, 14. The only time I DM a girl, if it's a friend and I'm like, "Yo, like, you're killing it right now," right? If I'm just like congratulating them on their stuff that they're doing, right? That's something I would do. If it was in the comment box, I'll be like, "Yo, that's a sick outfit." If I'm not praising you, I'm making fun of you. That's the whole thing I'm doing too. I'm probably making fun of you. I would never be, "Oh my God, Mom, you bad as shit. Oh my God, Mom, let me holler. Oh my God, Mom, let me take you out. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, you so bad, you so cute." No, that's not in my character. All my friends know I would never do something like that. Why? Because I like to talk to girls in person. I'm a more up close and personal type of guy. I don't like having female friends that I'm cool with, girls I guess I'm friends with, that I just talk to them online. I would honestly ask them to hang out often, because I don't like FaceTiming 24/7. I don't like talking to you all the time. I want to hang out with you. I want to see you in person, okay? It's not because I'm trying to get in your pants. It's because I don't like being on the phone. Like, I'd rather just hang out with you in person. This is how I am. But I'm too scared to do stuff like that, because I feel like if I do, then she's gonna think I'm trying to holler at her when I'm not. And that blows me. It's like I gotta really watch what I say to girls without them thinking that I'm trying to get in their pants. It's like, dude, like, there's been times when I'll be like, "Yo, let me get your number," right? They're like, "Oh, I'm trying to be single. I don't have a boyfriend." It's like, bro, like, I'm not trying to go smack at you. It's just that I take pictures for my Instagram. I have a really nice camera, and I see you take pictures pictures too, so why not we just link together and take pictures together? It's not because I'm trying to get in your pants. I'm just trying to work with you. That's it. Goddamn, relax. Bro, like you really can't do anything now without somebody think you're trying to get in their pants. Like, Jesus Christ, bro. Like, I get it. There's guys out there everywhere. They're just horny, just sitting there masturbating their computers, your Instagram pictures. I understand, but I'm not that guy. I've been in so many situations with females. So many situations with females. So many situations with females when girls will lie for me for no freaking reason. It could be girls that I'm just trying to, I guess you could say, I don't think there's nothing wrong. Let me get this straight. There is nothing wrong with someone that's trying to hook up. There is nothing wrong with someone that just wants to hook up. The only thing that's wrong is lack of communication. If you don't communicate with that person that hooking up with them is all you want to do, then you're wrong. But if you told that person from the jump, this is all you want, and they continue to mess with you, but they're low-key trying to get with you, and you don't give them that chance to get with you because you don't want a relationship, you just want to hook up, that's their problem. Because they should have backed off. They should have realized that maybe I can't get a relationship with this person, so let me just back off. Instead of consistently trying to bully them into a relationship, and when they keep saying no, you want to be like, oh, all right, fuck you then. Fuck you then. Bitch. It's the same kind of mentality when a guy tries to get a girl's number and the girl's like, nah, and the guy's like, oh, fuck you then, hoe. You a hoe anyway, dirty bitch. It's like, if she's a dirty bitch, why do you try to get with her? Why do you try to wife her? She's a dirty bitch. Like, what? Don't make no sense. What? I just don't get it. That's my thing, dude. How? Like, I'm not even trying to holler at you. Another thing that really blows me, like I said, that girls always lie. Like, you lie for that. Another thing that really annoys me is the fact that how every girl I try to get with, she would tell me that, you know what, the only guy I had sex with was my ex-boyfriend. That's it, right? And then we have a conversation 3 months later and she told me how she had sex with some guy at a party right when their boyfriend broke up, or before the boyfriend broke up or whatever. She had sex with some guy. Did you think I forgot? Like, you definitely told me the last guy you had sex with, the only guy I had sex with was your boyfriend. And I had multiple girls tell me that. It's literally everything a girl tells me, I just can't, like, bro. Like, another situation when a girl was trying to have sex with me, they don't want to use a condom, and found out that she made it her mission to get pregnant in high school. What if that was me? How bad would you guys feel for me if I lost my virginity for the first and only time? Well, you can only do it one time. But if I lost my virginity to a girl and I had a kid and she wasn't my girlfriend, why? Like, you know how upset I would be. Yes, that's my kid, that's a blessing, but come on, man. Like, let me get my hands dirty a little bit, man. God damn. A girl that wanted to talk to me first, right? So she wanted to holler at me. And I was like, all right, fine. Through a mutual friend of ours, a mutual friend's girlfriend. And then she was like, yo, I have a friend that want to talk to you. Look at it. I'm like, okay, fine. So I was checking it out. Supposedly she wanted her to tell me that she had a big butt. I'm like, okay, that's cool. I don't care, but cool. I'm like, yo, tell her to hit me up. She's like, nah, you gotta hit her up. I'm like, why? Why I gotta do that? Why I gotta do that? Like, if you're trying to talk to me, right, I think you should hit me up. You're the one that's trying to spit game at me. You're the one that's trying to hook up and link with me. So therefore, you should hit my line. Why do I gotta hit your line? I'm not into you. And that's like you want a car at the dealership. The dealership's not gonna come to your house. The dealership's not gonna drive to your house, but yeah, this is the car we got. No, you gotta get your dusty, linky, slinky, binky, rinky, dinky ass up and walk your ass to that goddamn dealership so you can test drive that car. You wanna test drive me, right? You wanna ride me, right? So therefore, you need to come, no pun intended. Well, pun intended. But you gotta come over here and ride me, okay? I'm not gonna go over there, you come to me. But she wanted me to hit her up. My friends are like, yo, just hit her up. I'm like, all right, fine, hit her up, right? I had to scratch for a conversation. Okay, so you're making this hard for yourself. You're making this hard for me to just to speak to you, to even breathe in your direction through the phone. To even breathe while I'm talking to you on the phone. You want me to hit you up first, right? I'm like, okay, fine. I swallowed my pride, hit her up first, right? Then you're gonna admit like literally the conversation that she was sending, that we were having, like her paragraphs, but I remember her paragraphs, why'd I say that? Her lines, right, were half of my pinky. It was like this long on my iPhone 6 Plus. They're literally this long. The messages pop up, it'll be from here, and then that's it. I like to see your private Instagram, because I want to add each other, right? I have a private, you have a private Instagram, and let's add each other, right? So she's like, no, I don't want to do that, personal stuff, I can't do that. I'm like, I mean, that's the point of private Instagram, like it's for personal stuff. And then she's like, no, like I can't do it. All right, fine. I was like, I would feel she lying, yo, because I've been in too many situations with girls always lying to me. So I'm just, you know what? My homie's girlfriend was like, yo, I'll give you her little fancy. Go on my page. Go look at her fence tab on her fence. I was like, all right, bet. Bet means good looks. Good looks means thank you. Thank you, like when you order some Chinese food, it says thank you in the box. Her information of her fence tab was my Chinese food, and I was like, thank you. Say no more. Say less. So I go on her Finsta, right? I'm scrolling down. The post, I was like, God dang, this is crazy. I was scrolling, not in a good way, in a bad way. I happened to find a picture of her saying, she had, bro, oh my God. She said that I done had sex with so many guys, I lost count. This is the same female that told me that she only had sex with 2 guys and those are both her ex-boyfriends. And now she's on Instagram saying that she had sex. She got donkey stroked by so many guys that she lost count. All that semen swam up to her ears and her brain. Now she can't think because she lost count how many guys she done donkey fuck. That would have been a trap. Me almost having a kid would have been a trap. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason why I do not approach girls really. And whenever I do, it's in person. And especially at the moment, I'm just chilling. I'm just trying to find work, trying to go to college, trying to publish these YouTube videos, trying to shoot these pranks out. I'm trying to hit 1 million, okay? That's the goal. Not a girl, but if a girl comes along on the way, that's cool. And I'm starting to think, you know, I should probably stop going with these girls over here where I'm from, because obviously some of them are a little off these stories, and off you guys know, not all the good ones are taken, and all the ones that are single are a little cuckoo in the head, most of them. But maybe I'm cuckoo. Who knows? Maybe I should just go out with like a YouTube girl, right? Or Instagram model. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below or just DM me on Instagram. I'm going to be going live tonight. I go live on every single Sunday after I post a video because I want to be more in tune with my supporters. So let's be in tune and tackle each other. I'm trying to connect with y'all like it's freaking Wi-Fi in this bitch. Road to 100,000. I appreciate support you guys as long as you guys support me. I love you guys. Peace up, positive like always, guys. $1,000,000 sign up. Yeah, another $1 video. If you aren't following your dreams, what are you doing? Because I'm out. Peace.
She so hurt, I so hurt. She get on my nerve. My head hurt. Matter of fact.